Hi everybody and Merry Christmas. I just thought I'd show you guys what I am up to here in my house in lieu of going to spend time with family. I think that I've posted a few things on social media about, doing some demo in the house. So I wanted to share with you guys where I am as far as demo and rebuilding. Behind me, is my new cabinet. If you remember, there used to be a big old cabinet there. My TV was on top of it. Now, the TV is on the wall. It's not going to stay there for long, but it's just up there while I continue doing this whole project. So, as you can see, I have two different color cabinets up there, and that is because when I went to IKEA today pick up the rest of my pick up the second cabinets, they didn't have white, they only had the beach, but luckily beach is paintable, so I will be painting it. The other thing that's going to be happening with this cabinet over here, I'm going to switch this around so you can see that, as you can see, it kind of goes right up to the ceiling. So what we're going to be doing in there is trimming it out and making it look like a built-in. So the other thing that I'm working on is, and I'm trying to flip this stupid thing around, is my beadboard. So I put in some beadboard last weekend. It goes all the way around. Oh yes, and there's that beautiful dust that I started building. But of course, when I started building it, I measured it wrong and it's too tall. So next thing that I'm going to be working on is the opposite corner over here, which is where my door has been living for the past year or so. It's coming out, all that stuff is coming out. There's going to be an opposite version of what's going on in this corner over here, in that corner. Then we're taking the crown molding out and we're going to replace all of that because I'm going to trim out all these cabinets. So that's what I'm doing for Christmas this year. I'm going to be posting some more info and what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Somebody told me I should start a blog about this stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share up with everybody what's going on. Oh, and by the way, yeah, there is a sofa sitting in my kitchen waiting to be put together because I need to get rid of the one I already have. And if anybody knows anybody who needs a sofa, please send them my way. Thank you. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.